Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie and today I'm going to play with the Spring Flowers collection, this is the Vivid Blooms edition. So you'll see that this is by Gina's Gems Creations, and you'll see that there's a lot of purples and greens in here and, silver accents. So I figured it'd be something fun to play with. There's all kinds of really cool charms and beads in here that will look good with anything. So the first thing that I was attracted to are these bead pendants. And I'm going to pull this back. So I got two in this pack, and I just think they're really, really cool. You know, they just have like an amazing pattern on them. Perfect for a pair of plain earrings. Nothing fancy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply get a couple of earring hooks. I'm not going to go all beaded out on these. Just because I want them plain. Because the does speak for themselves. So I've got two earring wires here. And I'm just going to pull that back. Put it on. Then bend it forward. Making sure everything's even. This part's so easy, but you know, when you get creative and you want to make jewelry, it doesn't always have to be fully beaded and decked out and heavy, and sometimes plain is best, especially if it's a statement piece in itself. I'm just going to bend this one back, make sure everything's straight, and instant pair of earrings. Now these will have a little bit of weight to them, so I won't be able to wear them all the time, but I think they just make a really cool accent piece. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comments down below. May creativity be your guide.